As a busy security professional, wouldn't you like to offer a more reliable solution? One with advanced features and privacy. One that saves you installation and maintenance time. Now you can, with Power Series Neo, the complete hybrid wired and wireless security system for large residential and light commercial premises. On average, Power Series Neo cuts installation time in half compared with a traditional wired system, so you can install more systems and grow revenues. Minimal wiring and repeater-free, wireless range up to 2,000 meters or 6,500 feet, together mean fast and clean installation with easy expansion as needs change. And Power Series Neo sensors require battery changes only every 5 to 7 years, saving service time and costs. Do your customers want more reliability and privacy? Deliver it with Power Series Neo. Featuring Power G, the award-winning wireless communication technology used in millions of devices installed worldwide, Power G leads in wireless reliability and privacy. It secures communication with multi-channel frequency hopping and robust 128-bit AES encryption, meeting most insurance company requirements. With both cellular and IP communication capabilities, plus robust encryption, Power Series Neo securely delivers real-time information and alerts that are well protected from hackers. Do you want to offer your customers more convenience and access to their security system? That's another Power Series Neo difference. Power Series Neo supports a wide selection of security and safety sensors and other accessories. And intuitive keypads guides provide an easy interface for all users. There's even an optional smartphone app for remote system control. Software makes it easy for administrators to manage, monitor, and control their systems. A complete software support suite, it features remote diagnostics, dashboards, and remote firmware downloads. Power Series Neo, the hybrid solution combining traditional hardwired security with the simplicity of wireless devices. Faster, easier installations, better security and privacy, enhanced convenience and accessibility. Isn't it time you made Power Series Neo your advantage?